Hi guys, welcome back. I thought this video I would keep separate from my paper and card storage, just because this is more specific to like organizing pieces of cardstock, like pre-cut cardstock, although it can go in the same category. But so I have two tubs here. Both of these will fit into one of the drawer units that goes into the Calyx IKEA units. You can get like a drawer insert and it's got two drawers on it. They will fit in there. So this is the Interdesign Divided Tub, and this is the, I think they call it the 4 wide, like 4 inches wide kind of thing. It's about 12 inches. Is it 12 inches? I forget how long. It is, no, just short of 11 inches long, so almost 12 inches. Anyway, so I have these two, and they both fit into that one of those drawers. So this little one, I actually use, like, these are what I got in one of the Simon Says Stamp kits, that I believe you can use deco foil to foil it. I just didn't know where else to put it because I've only got one, so I put it in here. But this has long envelopes, like slimline envelopes, and then these are all my Simon Says. These are all the envelopes I've got from Simon Says Stamp kits. I decided to keep them separate from just my normal ones because they're fancy. so they just sit in there. Then this tub, like I say, this is a 3 divided tub. So the divider is in the middle there, as you can see. Both of these have a handle on the end, so that makes it easy. This section here is slightly wider than these two here. So these two I use for my colour, and you can kind of see that anyway, for my coloured cardstock. So I have like black and grey, white, cream and brown, pink and red, and so on. And I also store both sort of larger pieces that would be for the first layer of a card. So for example, like so. And that's sort of a standard, what's become standard for me is American A2 size card. So 4 by 5¼ would be the first layer on an A2 card. And then again, being an A2 card enthusiast, I have some card bases here. You've seen me use these in a few videos recently, but I'll have them just pre-scored and in here. So I'll have the cards at the back, and then the like layers in the front. I don't just use these for layers. Like if I need a piece of cardstock and it's the right colour and it's in here and I need to die cut with it, I take it from here. But it just makes it easy if you want to make quick cards. You can just grab pre-cut cardstock, pre-cut card bases, and just go for it. In the front here, again, I have these separate. These came in one of the kits as well. They're like pre-cut layers or card fronts. So again, these are Simon's cardstock, so I just keep them together in their little bag in the front. Makes me happy. So then this longer side, I actually have pre-cut like watercolor, mixed media, canvas, all that kind of paper. So not normal box standard white cardstock. I have things like the canvas paper here. This is actually still on a pad, but it fits in there. I have some Crawford and Black watercolor paper. I don't think I have any Daler or any Bristol board left, but I just labelled and made just little cheap cardstock dividers. The divider's there, so it works and is very easy again to grab and go. So near the beginning of the year, maybe even New Year's Day, I'm not sure, I can't remember. I did a little post on Instagram and in my Instagram stories as well about you know, whether anybody was organising their cardstock and that for the next, you know, for the new year. And yeah, so there's a little post on there if you want to go and check it out, because I just, with that whole day, I just spent cutting cardstock, and I just had random packs of odd pieces of cardstock, so I just cut them all down and got them ready for the new year. And that's also when I updated and cut some more cardstock for this section as well, because I do love watercolouring and ink blending and things like that, and the cardstock does make a difference. So I do like to have it sort of preset, especially making videos. Makes it super easy for me to just grab this, even if I just bring this whole thing out onto my desk while I'm prepping. Still makes it super easy. So that's that one. Ta-da! I hope this was helpful for some of you if you want to do this. This is a small scale compared to like some of my other crafty friends. Some of you guys do it in a massive scale. I honestly don't have the space to do it that way, but this is big enough for me, to be fair. So I hope this was helpful for some of you, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!